In less than 30 minutes, the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket will launch IXPE, giving us a new set of eyes to explore outer space. Over a 2-year mission, it will use its unique X-ray vision to study some of the most mysterious and powerful objects in our universe. Thank you for joining us this morning, live from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. I'm Megan Cruz.
And I'm Marie Lewis. Liftoff is set for 1 o'clock a.m. sharp Eastern Time from just behind us at historic Launch Complex 39A. IXPE is NASA's first mission to study polarized X-rays. Simply put, it will help us understand how the universe works. The mission will focus on objects like black holes and exploded stars, honing in on their cosmic X-rays. These rays originate from places where matter is under extreme conditions, violent collisions, enormous explosions, 10 million degree temperatures, and fast rotations.
And IXPE is unique because it will pinpoint X-ray polarization. Soon after launching, IXPE will deploy its solar arrays, which will power the spacecraft. After about a week in space, IXPE will extend its boom, lengthening the spacecraft to about the size of a minivan. There that boom goes. About a month after launch, IXPE will begin its 2-year mission using 3 identical telescopes, each with a set of mirrors. Those mirrors have corresponding detectors on the opposite end of the boom. The mirrors collect X-rays from the celestial objects and focus them on the detectors, which make an image of those X-rays and measure polarization.
Polarization is a property of light, like brightness and color. X-rays are a form of high-energy light that's invisible to the human eye. By studying the polarized X-rays of these powerful objects, we can learn more about what they're made of and how they work. Today's launch is managed by NASA's Launch Services Program in cooperation with the agency's Marshall Space Flight Center, the Italian Space Agency, and Ball Aerospace.
And here are some other interesting facts about IXPE by the numbers. The bottom of the observatory, called the spacecraft bus, is nearly 4 feet in diameter. Up top is the mirror module support structure deck that's almost 5 feet in diameter. The boom is 12 feet long, bringing the fully extended observatory height to 17 feet.
IXPE's solar array wingspan is 8 feet. Put it all together, and IXPE weighs 727 pounds, roughly the same as a polar bear. It will study about 40 celestial objects during its first year in space, with more detailed follow-up observations in its second year.
And IXPE arrived at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station on November 5th for final pre-launch testing. Teams attached it to the Falcon 9 rocket last week, and now here we are, stacked and vertical on the pad, ready for launch in just about 26 minutes.